chip, 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 chip.
With me.
What? You want me to teach you how to use it? No, pick it up. Yeah, like this. And chip, chip, chip. That's out. Just remember, right side down.
How much?
25.
Come on, let me go.
And every 4 that you buy, get one free. It's like the 5 for 100 or just 1 for 25. Right side down. Yeah, and then yours now is just upside down. Just like that. That's it. A little bit back. Yum, yum, yum. A little bit back. A little bit back. Smile. Almost there. Only air in the first. That's it. If you put a little bit back, those fall. Like that, like a rainbow. Now turn it around, turn it around. Okay, now like this. Like that, like that. One side for you. Exactly like that, but just flip it, just flip it. Yes, and then? Good, smile. That's it. Try not to do like this. No. Just like this. Put a little bit back to the toe, back. Yes, yours is a little bit like this. Put it 2 hands. Good. Smile, close your mouth. Like this. That's it. Smile. Tongue inside, that's it. And chick, chick, chick.
Not working.
Almost there, almost there.
Not working.
When you do it, no, you gotta try, like a rainbow. Turn it, right side facing you. Tongue out. You put into the teacup. Yes. And then you just, good, just close it. Don't let your tongue out. That's it.
May nalagay sa pan.